Hi guys, today I'm here with you to talk about dental crowns. When I'm proposing dental crowns for my patients, one of the questions that I get asked is how long will the crown last? And it's a tough question to answer right off the bat because the crown can last anywhere from 5 years all the way to 20 to 40 years, and I've seen both sides of the spectrum. So what does it depend on? The first factor is the condition of the tooth prior to the restoration. The healthier the tooth, the longer the crown will last. The second factor would be your bite or occlusion, and whether the teeth are properly aligned, that allows for mutually protected occlusion or mutually protected bite. Third factor would be obviously the dietary preferences. So the crown will last longer for a person with a healthy diet, healthy dietary habits, versus for a person who likes to sip on pop or iced tea all day long. And last but not least is your oral hygiene. So depending on how great you are with your oral hygiene at home, flossing, brushing, going back to basics, and how often you come for regular maintenance with your hygienist. So all of this is playing a role in how long the restorations will last in your mouth, including the crowns. So I hope that was helpful for you guys and you've learned something new today, and I'm here to answer any questions that you might have. You can get in touch with me through Lakefront Family Dental. See you soon.